Hi, if you are wondering whether the Google Pixel Watch 3 has a microphone, then let me answer this question. So, this watch comes with Google Assistant that's triggered by saying, "Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?" As you can see, it understands me really fine. Therefore, microphone is available on this device. You can find it if you take a look at the right side of the watch. Here you can find this crown, this button for opening recents. And right here you can find microphone. So, yep, the answer is yes, Google Pixel Watch 3 has a microphone. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.